Imagine having an AI powered assistant on your website that knows everything about your business, what to chat with your visitors just like a normal person, answer all questions and give information like what products are available in your store, the order status, expected delivery time, and so much more. Sound almost magical, right? Unlike a real person, this AI chatbot can be active 24/7 on your site and will reply to all customers instantly. I know what you're thinking, that adding an AI like this will be expensive and also will require you to have coding and all this expertise experience. But let me tell you, sit back and relax as I will show you on how you can put AI like this on your site that will instantly reply to messages for free. I want to use this opportunity to send a shout out and a thanks to the 238 people that have subscribed to my channel. I'm really happy that you are here. And also, if you are watching and you are yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, as this will help the algorithm in promoting my content to people that love it. And also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. So let's dive in. So the AI I will be using today to teach you this video is known as FastBot. So you head over to FastBot and I'll be dropping the link in the description below so that you can get started, and you are getting started completely for free. So the reason why I'm teaching you this video is, if you have a company and you are thinking about what do you do to promote customer support, instant reply, and all those things, this is your final bus stop and this is where you are supposed to be. To add this AI chatbot, you are going to use 5 steps which are listed below. So let's get into this video. So you have to sign up for free by clicking on this place, and it is free. It does not require you to put any of your credit card. So what you need to do is to click on login with Google. So once you click on login with Google, you select your Google account, click on continue. Then you have to give the chatbot a name. So I'll be giving it my company name, which is this. So I'll click on create public, then I'll click on let's go. So that is it. I've been able to sign up for this. Now, so the first step is to create an account with them. The first step. Then the second step is for you to train the AI to know the information will reply to your customer once your customer gets into your site. So the training stage require you to just give the AI your website link. So I'll copy my website link and give it to the AI. So this is my website. I'll just give the link to the AI, and automatically this AI would, when I click on start here, the AI will by itself pick all the links on my website, train itself on it, so that once it is now trained, it can now reply to my customer. So if you look down here, you notice it has picked all the information about my website. Everything about my website is here. Then I'll just click on save. So once I click on save, it will be taking me to the next step, the design and the customization of the AI. So that will be choosing the AI name, the color I want to use for it, and the picture. So the customization. So the first is for us to create an account, which is what we have done. Then the second is for us to train the AI with our website information. The third is for us to now customize the AI, the design, the color, and everything we want, and the welcome message. So let us go into that. Now, this is where I'll put all the things I want to show. So if you want it to have a name, let's say you want it to be AI agent, so and you want it to appear at the top, you just keep it AI agent. You can put Rose or any name you want. So you can just put Rose, or you can just put your website name. So let's say I put my website name, right? Then you say, hi, how can I help you today? If you don't want this message, you can change the message to welcome to, then you put your store name. So let's just do that. How many minutes do you want it to stay before it pop out? Just click on this and say you want it to stay maybe 5 seconds once the person enters the website, 5 seconds before he sees the pop-out message. And also you can also put a suggested message. I will not do that for this. Now you can also collect lead. One of the cool thing I love is that you can collect lead from this. Just click here, then the person can put the name and the rest, and you also get in touch with us. Now, you can also select some things that you want to be required. If you want the phone number to be required when you are collecting the lead, or the message to be required, and the rest. Then the next thing is to put the AI avatar you want, and also the icon you want. So let's do that. So select the picture, then click here. So this will be the picture. Then also you have to put your chatbot. So just click here. Your logo, you can put your company logo. Select your company logo. Click on open. So that will be the startup logo. You're seeing it, right? Then once you do that, once you're done with that, and you like the way it is, just click on save here. So after you've saved this, the next thing is for you to test the AI, which is the fourth step for us to test the AI. So for us to test the AI, just simple, just ask it, what product do you have in store or in stock, right? So you see, it will give you the product, and the cool thing I love with this is it will also give you the product image, the price. So you see, so, and if you're satisfied with this and you like the way it is, you can now go to the fifth step, which involves you adding this AI to your website. So how do you add this AI to your website? Very simple, and I'll be showing you that. So the first thing for you to do is to log into your website. So this is my website. I want to log in to my WordPress website. So just log in. So click on log in. So once you're logged into your website, the next thing is for you to come to this place where you see integrations on the FastBots. Once you are in the integration on the FastBots, right click on it. Then you want to connect it to WordPress. Just click on that so that you'll be able to download the plugin, the FastBot plugin. So just click on download here. So once you click on download here, go back to your website. Under your website, just go to plugins, click on add new. So put your mouse on plugin, click on add new. So once you click on add new, click on upload plugin. So once you click on upload plugin, click here to choose the plugin which you just downloaded now, which is this. So once you do that, just click on this and open. Then once you select it, click on install now. So once you click on install now, click on upload. So once you upload, the plugin will be successfully installed. Then you go back to your installer. Now once you've gone back to your installer, go back to this chatbot AI, FastBot AI. So once you go there, click on this place you see embed and share. So what you click on embed and share, the next thing you want to do is, you see under this place you see using embedded script. Copy this link here in the middle, this one here you see me highlighting. Ctrl C, copy it. If you are using a Mac OS, just use your Command C. Then go back here. Now once you go back here, go to settings in your website on WordPress. Then once you go to settings, click on where you see FastBot, which is this. So once you click on FastBot, now the next thing you need to do is to put the source URL, which is the one, just this one you copied from there, which is this, that end with .js. Then once you have done that, the next thing you need to do is to go back again to FastBot and copy this ID, your databot ID. So you just copy from here, from this blue to the end where you see this. Then once you copy, you go back to your website again and paste it. So once you paste it, click on save changes. So once you click on save changes, and the next thing is for you to check if this thing is in your WordPress site, if it is as integrated well. So how do you check? Just right click on this, your store at the top, and visit your home page and see if it is there. So we are on our home page. If you look at the bottom right corner here, you are seeing our logo. You see it said welcome to Buzzer Store. How can I help you today? Just click there. So once you click there, you can now ask it any question you want to ask it. If you notice we have asked it a question before, you can just ask it, how long does it take to deliver a product? So you see, Now you see, I don't know if you noticed something. You said the information provided does not specify the exact delivery time for product. However, at Boza Store we provide our fast shipping. You see, so we don't have this area, so that means we don't have this question answered. So how do we now train this AI to be able to give that our product will be delivered maybe from 5 days or 7 days or 10 days? Okay, let me just show you how to do that now. So you go back to FastBot AI, the FastBot AI. Once you go back there, so the next thing you need to do is to come to this place you see Q&A. So you can now add your question by clicking on add. So once you click on add, you put the question and put the answer. So let's say I come back to this website, which is my website, and then you see I ask it how long does it take, right, to deliver a product. So just come back here, copy the question, paste the question here, then also fill in your answer, because the answer you want the bot to give the person. So you can just give it this answer. So this is my reply. Now tracking information will be provided once your order is shipped and the rest, right? Just click on save. So once you click on save, so you have added that question. So let's go back again and see if I ask the AI the question, and just click this. So let's see if it's trained. You see, hope you guys can see it, right? You say here is a concise summary of time delivering product Bossa store. You say delivery time, processing time. You see it. So you see, it is not like that other one it gives. So we have trained the AI on how it could reply to our customer in the way we want it to reply, should in case it does not know anything. So the next thing I want to show you before I end the video is, once you come here, you can also decide to pick the AI you want to use. So if you notice, we are using AI model, this model version 4 mini. You can decide to change it to any other one you want. So, and this is it. So I believe you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends or with your business partner or with anybody that has a website that will want an AI to be embedded in the website. If you have any question or you are confused about anything, don't hesitate to use the comment section to ask me and tell me what AI model you want to use on your website. Happy putting AI in your website. See you in the next video. This is George Digital's. Thank you very much for subscribing. You can watch these two videos on the end screen you are seeing to learn how to website for free, and also to learn how to create mobile app. Bye.